Alright, what is up, guys? So I've been starting to work more and I've been closing, so you don't get very much sleep. Anyways, today I will be showing you how to install an aftermarket muffler. So plan is we're gonna go over to my uncle's barn, heated barn. We're gonna put it on there and I'm just gonna video it. I decided not to weld it. It takes too long, don't have the welder set up, and we're just gonna put the clamps on it. So we'll see how it works. So you're gonna follow me there. Let's go. Alright guys, what is up? We are in my car now. We are on our way to the barn or shop, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty much a barn. My car's so loud. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Super icy. Alright guys, so catch you up in a sec. Almost there. We're getting closer. I don't know if you can hear it or not. That's pretty loud. Alright, I guess I'll see you in the shop because, well, we are pretty much here. I just gotta go over here. It's my uncle's farm. I don't know if there's cattle up.
Back here. Pull ahead a little further and then sweep, and then we'll back into the clean spot. The broom's right there.
Is there more lights in here or no?
These are going to get brighter and brighter. Don't worry about it. We're right there at the end, so it doesn't matter. You don't want to put your fire there. Okay? Yeah, you got that damn one, man.
It is for me. Word. Yeah. This one?
Yeah, 1/7/8, whatever it is. Let's see if it fits.
No.
Okay, so it does fit. So put on your bottom piece. Hold this for a minute. Hello? Yeah, we're in there. Turn the heat up. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we gotta jack it up, so. Turn it to 62.
Okay. Thanks.
What?
He said we can turn the temp up if we want.
Good.
I don't know how to do it.
It's pretty easy.
Well, it ain't doing nothing for me, so. You say it's simple, but it ain't simple.
Hit the temp button.
Yeah, but what's this do? Is that what you're doing?
Oh, the temp. There you go.
52. Americans? Yeah, these are American.
Both American.
Those are essays. What do you think it is? 9/16. I've done this a few years. Yeah, do 3 on each and then keep going. Okay, that's pretty snug. Okay, it ain't moving. You're done. Okay,
Ain't moving?
it's solid.
Let's see it.
It's good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you dented it. That's what you want.
The angle's like.
Just take a good picture and we'll have to figure it out. You need to figure out how you're going to get between them.
Alright, guys, so after we put this on, this piece would like stuck out way over there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to advance and buy like a little curved piece. So it comes out right here where the old exhaust did. So this piece is too long, so we're gonna take it back and find a curved piece. So we'll meet you on the road.
Okay.
I guess I just have like a slight curve. Yeah, 'cause this was our original pipe, so if you have to look at something.
Yeah, that's an exhaust pipe.
That's a tip.
I know.
I'm talking about like a curve like.
Yeah, I know, like this. It's gonna go from over there to back over here, but see, that's not quite right either. But she's gonna do.
Cool, so this will mount up the muffler to the frame, and this curve piece should work. It might be a little longer, but we'll make it work. It'll come out where it's supposed to. That's all I can say. So, yep. Yeah, now we gotta find a drill. That no battery operated stuff.
Well, it's air.
This is cool. I've never used a drill that has air. Oh, I'm back again. Yep. About to cut that off. Alright, so we just chopped that off. Looks good. And we're chopping 2 inches off this, and it should be better. Got the strap on there to tie it up. So it's coming together. I'm just gonna chop this off real quick. So so we just drilled the hole for the bracket, and now I'm just gonna clamp this on. So that's it. And now this is all bolted up and about ready to clamp that. That's what it looks like when it's under here. No welding. I want to set you guys down so you guys can really hear it. Setting you in the seat. I think it sounds pretty sweet. You guys didn't hear it all the way. But like, it used to be super loud because it's just a pipe. But then now the muffler's on there, so it sounds cleaner. Like, not exactly loud, like humming where it hurts your ears. But it's loud. It's clean. That's what I'm trying to get at. Sounds nicer. So, alright guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, comment if you have one. The link will be in the description where I got it, and yeah, other than that, smash the subscribe. So thanks for watching, and keep a watch out for my other car videos. Peace.